Hi friends, in this video we'll do one more problem on rectification of errors using suspense account. Rectify the following errors. The trial balance credit side was showing an excess balance of rupees 2000 which was put to suspense. Now if the credit side is showing a balance 2000 rupees greater than the debit side, then we will put that in the suspense account debit side so that the debit side balance will also increase by 2000 and both the sides will tally. So if credit side is showing an excess balance of 2000, to make the trial balance tally, we have to put the amount in the suspense account debit side. So now we have to rectify the errors and see to it that the suspense account closes. First transaction, credit sales to Mohan, rupees 7000 were not posted to his account. That means when you talk about credit sales, we pass the entry Mohan account at R2 sales. Mohan account was not debited. So Mohan account will now be debited. Mohan account debit 7000. Where should I give credit? I cannot give credit again to sales because it has already been credited. So I'll give credit to suspense 7000. Second transaction. Credit purchases from Rohan 9000 were not posted to his account. Entries purchase account at R2 Rohan. Purchase account has been debited but Rohan account has not been credited. So now I'll credit Rohan account. Rohan account 9000. Where should I debit? I should debit suspense. I cannot debit purchase account because it has already been debited with 9000. Next. Goods returned to Rakesh. 4000 were not posted to his account. When you return goods to Rakesh, we pass the entry Rakesh account debtor to purchase returns. Rakesh account has to be debited. It was not debited. So Rakesh account will now be debited. Rakesh account debit 4000. We cannot give credit to purchase returns again because it has already been credited. So we'll give credit to suspense 4000. Next, goods returned from Mahesh. When Mahesh is returning goods, we pass the entry sales returns account at R to Mahesh. Were not posted to his account, means Mahesh account was not credited. So Mahesh account will now be credited 1000. We cannot give debit to sales returns because it's already been debited. So now where will you give debit? We'll give debit to suspense. Next, cash paid to Ganesh. 3000 were not posted to his account. When you pay cash to Ganesh, we pass the entry Ganesh account at R to cash. Ganesh account was not debited. Now I'll debit Ganesh account. Ganesh account debit 3000. Where should I give credit? I cannot give credit to cash because it has already been recorded in the cash book. So cash payment is already recorded but not debited to Ganesh account. So I'll give credit to suspense 3000. Next, cash sales of rupees 2000 were not posted to sales account. When we make cash sales, we pass the entry cash account debtor to sales account, but sales account was not credited. So now I'll credit sales account. How much amount? 2000 rupees. We cannot debit cash because it has been properly recorded in the cash book. So cash account has already been debited. So where will I debit? I'll debit suspense. Now I'll post them in all these rectification entries in the suspense account, and suspense account should balance. That means both the sides should become equal after the posting of these entries. So the posting of the first entry is by Mohan 7000. Suspense to Rohan. So suspense account I'll write to Rohan 9000. Rakesh to suspense by Rakesh 4000. Suspense to Mahesh 1000. Ganesh to suspense 3000 by Ganesh 3000. Suspense to sales 2000. Now after the entries are posted, the balance of both the sides, the total of both the sides should become equal. 2 plus 9 11 plus 1 12 plus 2 14,000 here. 7 plus 4 11 and 3 is 14,000. Now the suspense account balances and we have passed the rectification entries. So this is how you use a suspense account in rectification of errors. So when there is a difference in the trial balance, the difference is posted to the suspense account, and then we try to find out what are the errors because of which the suspense has arisen, and when we rectify those reasons, then the suspense account should close and the trial balance will tally. Thank you.